Where you got the link about Bhadra Electronics before joining this training?
Actually, before coming here, I talked to one of my cousin brother. His
Okay.
name is Yurjan Zimik. He's working well.
Okay.
That's why I just went to him and asked about
Okay.
where he get his education.
Okay.
About the car scanning and all.
Got it.
So from him, I come to know about the Bhadra Electronics.
Okay. And guys, we want to see about the background of this Zimik and what was he working before going to join this training. That we need to ask from his mouth only. So what was you working before going to join this training?
Before joining this training, I was searching for a better job.
Okay.
Actually, I am an electrician.
Okay, fine.
I was trying to find job in Manipur, but it is a bit hard for me to find job. Last, I decided to start my own business in this car section. That's why I started searching for the information. So finally, I got from my cousin brother Yurjan.
Nice man. And when you joined for the first day, how was your expectation and how you are feeling right now?
Joined for the first time,
Yeah.
I think it will be just like theoretical class and all. But when time goes by, I got to touch with the sensors and the instruments like scanners. I don't know anything about the sensors of the vehicle, but now I can understand how sensor works.
Okay.
So I think it's fine for me.
Yes, true. Everyone will going to become perfect by his own practice work. Here there is no magic at all. If you want to become doing some magic means it is just running for only 2 to 3 days. If you really want to sustain in this domain means here the simple slogan practice. Practice make man perfect. Without that, we can't able to become a successful person in this total entire journey. So Zimik, I am saying all the best for you and for your career also. And please always be in touch with Bhadra Electronics. So what are the problems you are facing? Kindly share with us and we will always be with you. And directly you can contact me or Yogesh also. No problem at all. And always we will be available. And what all the supports you require, we will definitely available for you. Okay? And
sir.
thank you so much.
I'll do that.
So this is what the review about our Zimik, and if you want to see all the information about this training means you will get a description link under the bio section. Please go and follow all the YouTube videos in our YouTube channel.